Hey everyone, if your Behance link is not working in 2026, like it's not opening, showing errors, or taking people to the wrong page, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Behance link not working step by step. First, open Behance and make sure your link is correct. Even a small typo can break the URL. Next, check your profile visibility settings. If your profile is private, your link may not work for others. Now check your internet connection. Unstable internet can cause links to fail loading properly. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can block links from opening. Next, try opening your link in another browser or device. Sometimes the issue is browser related. Now disable VPN and browser extensions like ad blockers. These can interfere with page loading. After that, check if your project is still published. Deleted or unpublished projects will not open. Finally, copy your Behance link again and test it in a new tab. This ensures you are using the correct URL. So yeah, that's how you fix Behance link not working in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and your links should start working properly again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more troubleshooting tutorials for beginners.